Hey everybody, so start this assignment by looking up information about Garamond. Here's the name of the typeface, and then add characteristics, origins and history, uses, and finally the sources that you got this from. You're not writing a paper here, and this doesn't have to be exact. And this is all about just starting to do a little bit of research on your own so that you're kind of reading about these different typefaces. We'll be using them again and again throughout this course, along with a lot of other typefaces. But this is just sort of getting your feet wet, understanding why there are differences between different typefaces and why those differences are meant to be there. Once you have the information pasted into your page, make the following changes. The title, the name of the font, this is going to be set to 62 points. So I'm going to change over here this setting to go from 12 to 62. And I'm using Pages, which is an Apple product. You might be using Word or another program. Headings are going to be set to 36. Paragraph text is going to be set to 10 points. And sources. These are the websites that I looked at to get this information. The sources can be set to 8 points. Please make sure that you're pulling information from at least 3 sources. And finally, let's change the typeface to Garamond. There it is. Now we're going to repeat this process for Baskerville. We want to compare Garamond to Baskerville and so on down the list of our different typefaces because we want to see how the page looks different, how the font looks different, how the letters look different from one typeface to the other. I'm going to copy everything, Command-C, scroll down. Looks like I need to create another page. This is the second page down here. Then I'm going to select everything and I'm going to change it to Baskerville. You can see how the letter forms look a little bit different. And finally, I'm going to switch out the information in this page and pull information that I think is relevant, paste it in. There's one source. I'll need a couple more sources and I'll want a little bit more information. Read through, make sure characteristics is about the characteristics of the letter forms. Are they wide, narrow, tall, X height? Exactly what's going on that makes that font look like that font. And then go through the origins and history. Why was this font created? Why was this typeface created? What's the historical value? What is it used for? When you're done with Baskerville, you're going to go down the list to the next typeface. When I'm done with all of the typefaces on my list, I can save this, keep a copy. And because a PDF is required for submission, I want to export it to a PDF. So I can come down here, File, Export to PDF. Depending on the program that you're in, it might be listed under Save As or Save or Export, but go ahead and find the PDF option. Open my PDF. I've got 2 pages. Yours will have more than that because you're going to do every typeface that's on the list.